Have you ever thought how Pringles are made and what makes them so special? Is it the perfectly uniform shape, the crispy texture, or the way they stack so neatly in their iconic cylindrical can? While regular chips are made by slicing potatoes thin and frying them, Pringles takes a very different approach, one that involves science, engineering, and innovation. Have you ever wondered how these chips are made to such precise standards? Let's peel back the curtain on the fascinating process of making Pringles. The ingredients. A unique blend for consistency. Unlike your regular potato chips, Pringles aren't made from thinly sliced potatoes. Instead, they're made from a precise blend of ingredients, including dehydrated potato flakes, wheat starch, corn flour, and a mixture of oils. These ingredients are blended together to form a dough that's completely different from the traditional chip making process. The choice of ingredients is deliberate. Each component plays a role in ensuring that the final chip has the perfect balance of flavor, texture, and durability. Dehydrated potato flakes are the main ingredient, giving the dough that potato essence while allowing for the creation of a pliable mixture. Wheat starch adds elasticity to the dough, helping it hold its shape during the pressing and shaping stages, while corn flour adds extra crispiness to the final chip. The blend of oils ensures that the chips fry to a golden brown perfection without becoming too greasy. This combination of ingredients is crucial for producing a uniform dough that can be molded into the exact shape that Pringles are known for. The dough formation. Science meets snacking. Creating the dough for Pringles is a highly precise process. The ingredients are measured and mixed in a controlled environment to form a smooth, uniform dough. This dough isn't quite like traditional bread dough. It's more similar to a thick, pliable paste. The consistency must be just right. Too thick, and it won't shape properly. Too thin, and it won't hold up during frying. Once the dough is mixed to perfection, it goes through a rigorous kneading process to remove any lumps or inconsistencies. Achieving a perfectly smooth dough is key to ensuring that every chip is uniform in texture and taste. The kneading also helps to distribute the moisture evenly throughout the dough, which is essential for the next stages of the production process. Once the dough is ready, it moves on to the rolling stage, where the magic really begins. Rolling out the dough. Thin and even for precision. The dough is fed through large rollers that flatten it into thin sheets. This step is crucial as it ensures that each chip has the exact same thickness. The rollers are calibrated to apply just the right amount of pressure to create a uniform sheet of dough. Even the slightest variation in thickness could lead to an unevenly fried chip, affecting the taste and texture. The flattened dough is then transferred to a cutting station, where it's cut into oval shapes using a precision cutter. These ovals are the raw forms of Pringles that will eventually become the curved chips we recognize. But before that can happen, the dough needs to be molded into shape. Shaping the Pringles. Engineering the iconic curve. After the dough is cut into ovals, each piece is molded into the Pringles' signature saddle shape, known as a hyperbolic paraboloid. This shape is more than just a design choice. It's a result of careful engineering. The curve helps distribute pressure evenly across the chip, allowing them to be stacked without breaking. It also plays a role in enhancing the texture and the overall eating experience. This molding is done on a specially designed conveyor belt that gently presses the ovals into their curved shape. The process is timed perfectly to ensure that each chip retains its shape during frying. The hyperbolic paraboloid shape is not only functional but also visually appealing, which has helped Pringles stand out from the competition. Frying. Achieving the perfect crisp. Once the chips have been shaped, they move to the frying stage. Pringles are fried in a continuous conveyor belt system, which is different from the traditional batch frying used for regular potato chips. The conveyor moves the chips through hot oil, where they are flash fried for a precise amount of time. This quick frying process is what gives Pringles their crispy texture without making them too greasy. The temperature of the oil and the frying time are carefully controlled to ensure that each chip is cooked evenly. The uniformity of the dough and the consistency of the frying process are what give Pringles their distinctive crunch, making them instantly recognizable with every bite. After frying, the chips are cooled to allow excess oil to drain off. This step is crucial in ensuring that the chips maintain their crispiness and don't become soggy over time. The cooling process is quick but essential, as it prepares the chips for the next stage. Seasoning, flavors. That pop. The seasoning stage is where the magic really happens. Pringles are known for their bold, consistent flavors, and this is achieved through a meticulous seasoning process. After frying, the chips are transported to large spinning drums where they are evenly coated with seasoning. The drums rotate the chips, while specialized nozzles spray the flavoring evenly across every surface. Each flavor of Pringles has its own unique seasoning blend. From the classic original to bold options like BBQ, sour cream and onion, and cheddar cheese, the flavorings are designed to stick evenly to the surface of each chip. The fine powder clings to the chips, thanks to their hot surface, which ensures that each bite is packed with flavor. The amount of seasoning applied is carefully controlled to maintain consistency across every batch. Too little seasoning, and the flavor won't be strong enough. Too much, and the chips could become overly salty or powdery. This precision ensures that every can of Pringles delivers the same flavor experience. Packing. Precision stacking in a can. Once the chips have been seasoned, it's time for one of the most iconic steps in the Pringles making process: stacking and packing them into their cylindrical cans. The reason Pringles are packed in cans instead of bags is due to their unique shape and structure. The can helps protect the chips from breaking and keeps them fresh for longer. The chips are carefully stacked one on top of the other in an automated process that ensures precision and uniformity. The cans are filled at high speeds, with each chip falling into place perfectly. Once filled, the cans are sealed airtight to prevent moisture and air from affecting the chip's crispiness. This packaging method is a key innovation that has helped Pringles become a globally recognized snack. Quality control, ensuring perfection. Despite all the automation involved in making Pringles, quality control is still an essential part of the process. Every batch of chips undergoes rigorous testing to ensure that they meet the company's high standards. Workers inspect the chips for size, shape, and color to make sure they adhere to the specifications. Specialized machines also test the chips for crispiness, ensuring that each batch delivers that satisfying crunch Pringles are known for. Chips that don't meet the quality standards are discarded or repurposed, ensuring that only the best make it into the can. The global appeal of Pringles. Pringles have become a global snack phenomenon, available in over 140 countries and in countless flavors. The brand's success is a testament to the innovation and precision involved in the production process. By rethinking the way chips are made, from the dough to the can, Pringles has carved out a unique place in the snack market. From the iconic packaging to the engineered shape and bold flavors, Pringles has redefined what it means to be a snack. What started as an experiment in creating a more uniform and stackable chip has evolved into a global sensation enjoyed by millions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about how Pringles are made, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating videos like this. Don't forget to check out our other content, where we dive into the incredible processes behind the foods and products we use every day.